Well, good morning, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we're on August 7th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Get your daily dew every morning. We're going to start out here looking at our sun, as we did have that Earth-facing coronal hole, and as well a couple small sunspot regions. One of them becoming pretty active. Looked like a small flare in the last image here. But it is in the southern hemisphere of the sun, so facing down pretty much. It's most activity we've seen in the last couple of weeks other than the coronal holes. Looking under a different image here, where you can see the plasma dancing off to the sun. Amazing images coming out of Solar Dynamics Observatory. Again, thank you and credit to all researchers and developers. Let's look at the last 24 hours for earthquakes. As most recently, we just had the 5.0 in the southern East Pacific Rise. As well, Easter Island with a 4.7 and the Central East Pacific Rise with a 4.9. So it has been active on the east side of the Ring of Fire. Still seeing small rumbles in Ridgecrest, as well a couple earthquakes here in central United States. Central America. Some small earthquakes in Hawaiian Islands, as well Fiji, rocking a 4.2 and a 4.8, pretty deep earthquakes. In the Philippines, Matium, and as well Indonesia with a 4.6. And then moving north into Japan, and as well Russia. So that was the last 24 hours for earthquakes. We did see a small increase, Cascades in Alaska. But still, this is our quiet zone, everybody. North America is our quiet zone. So stay aware and prepared. Cascadia fault line, San Andreas fault line. There's been a lot of deep earthquakes recently. Stay aware and prepared. Much love to you all. Have a plan. Let's get to Pacific Disaster Center here. I'm going to show all the active volcanoes, most recently updated. Popo, Asamaya, Reventador, Asasan in Japan, Sangay, Ecuador, Sabancaya in Peru, Dakano in Indonesia, and as well Etna, Volcano Etna in Italy, 9 hours ago was updated. Southeast Asia bombarded by typhoons right now. Tropical storm Lekima is projected to turn into a Category 3, possibly a Category 4 storm by the time it hits Taiwan. So stay aware and prepared, all my friends and family. Southeast Asia. 1, 2, 3 storms have been battering the last few days. So we have Francisco in Korea right now, and Krosa, and as well Lekima. Get an update here on the Russian fires as well. Just look at NASA Worldview. Crazy images. Thick forest fire smoke blanketing the sky in Russia. What is going on in Russia? And look at all this smoke being channeled out into crazy images. And also crazy is last night throughout Alberta, it looks like we quite possibly could have had a tornado southeast of Lethbridge. You can see the thunderstorms rolled through Calgary, brought a pretty good lightning show and some heavy rain. But that little storm had some rotation after it went through Lethbridge. Let's look at the tropical storms overlooking here. Krosa on the right, and as well Lekima on the left. Now Krosa is a very large storm, still only a Category 1. Projected forecast is still out to the sea, northeast. But you can see here, Lekima is a Category 3 turning into Category 4 just before landfall in Taiwan. So stay aware and prepared, Taiwan. You do have a beast of a storm on your doorstep. Lekima is on its way. Let's get to the 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteo Earth, Meteo Mike. Showing here the tropical storms over the West Pacific. Projected forecast for the next 5 days. You can see in northeast China will be hit by Lekima and as well Taiwan. But that storm's going to go right up into the Korean Gulf after Korea just got slammed by Francisco. So an intense start to the typhoon season, and as well a very wet start to the monsoon season. Overlooking Pakistan, low pressure center right over the continent will bring a lot of heavy rain. And across Europe, we do have a large low pressure system coming from the Atlantic. Will bring quite a bit amount of rain, and as well some strong winds to the coastlines of northern United Kingdom. Nothing to talk about in the Atlantic, no storms forming. Overlooking North America, a cool down coming, as we do have another low pressure system coming from Northwest Territories. BC mountains could see some snow. And you can see temperatures dropping dramatically in the next 5 days. Cool down starts. Watch for rapid fire thunderstorms across central and southeastern United States. South America, not much to talk about. Daily evaporation, no big storms. Small atmospheric river, Buenos Aires. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And don't forget to hit that like button. Get your morning dew. Thanks for watching today. Much love. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.